This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shari Abbott. Living the life maintenance-free gated community located in the beautiful, golf course community of Isles of Baytree, this home has a view like no other. Gorgeous lake views with a preserve behind is the perfect backdrop for all nature lovers, and the front view is a golfer's delight. This meticulously maintained home has an open, versatile floor plan which is ideal for entertaining or casual family functions. Lots of natural lighting, downstairs master suite, tile roof, new blinds, and plantation shutters, new gutters, new inside air conditioner unit, new Tankless Gas Water Htr, hurricane shutters, and so much more, all ready for new owners. Enjoy your morning coffee on the spacious screened patio or walk a short distance to the community pool. You will love everything about this easy living home. For more information, review the details below.